Grader book is another powerful aspect of Moodle, and recording grades will be one of your main responsibilities as well. To go to the grader report, again you go to administration menu, and under it, as you see, we have this grades here. This will take you to the grader report, and the good thing is all the categories and items, fixed items, will already have been created before you are assigned to that specific class. So all the necessary columns are here. For example, I have quiz 1 here, and now I am the mentor teacher of A2C14. And if you want to know where you are, if you feel kind of lost, you are still at Melikshah in this class, you went to grades. Now the view type is grader report. Once the quiz results are on, you will get an email from testing department. Now let's say we finished quiz 1 and a few days later I got this email. Now I go to my instructor lounge. Now we are assuming that we are in the first semester and we did the first quiz, and I will find the quiz results of that week in the instructor lounge. Click on the related file. It will directly download, and then you will see this list of students and their results. My class was C14, so I am looking for my class. Must be somewhere here. Yeah, so it starts with this student and goes up to here. So let me highlight this, and my exam results are now here, but as you see the scores are over 50 here, and I have to double them. Doing it on Excel is quite a simple process. So all you have to do is to click on a blank cell where you want your results to appear, and now go to formula bar, put an equal sign there, and since I want to multiply the data in this cell, you can select or type the name of that cell here and put an asterisk and 2. So when you click on enter, you will get the result here. Then if you click and drag this cell down here, it is going to repeat the same procedure for every cell on the left. Then you will get your results. Now I am ready to transfer all these results to my Moodle account, and now all I have to do is to get these results and type here. And it's very important to click on update when you finish this procedure, so that Moodle will save your results. This is basically how you enter data on your grader report. There are 2 more important things to know about grader report. If you look here, these were the standard weekly quizzes, and all the columns are already here. However, the items and categories under assignments and projects will need some editing. So we will need to know a little bit about grade items and categories. For example, weekly oral quizzes, this title is actually a category, and under it I have 2 grading items. Since assignments and projects will depend on each teacher, for example, as instructor 2, I want to give them 2 portfolios, 1 assignment, so I will need to add more grade items and categories. So we will need to know how to do that. You will go first to the drop down menu here, choose an action, and you will click on simple view or full view. This will take you this settings kind of screen of grader report. This gives you a chance to see how things are organized in this class. With these folder icons I can see the categories, and under it with this icon I see the grade items. Now first thing you should do is to label your own categories with your name or initials. Let's assume I'm instructor 2. Now I need to find wherever instructor 2 categories are. As you see under assignments and projects there is 1 instructor 2, and under participation also I see another. To put your name here, you click on edit icon here, and now you can change the name of it. I can put my full name, or maybe I can put my initials, but since, as you already saw, there are two categories, one assignments and project and the other is participation. If you want to make the distinction, it is advisable to put something like assignments and projects here. And you scroll down, click on save changes. Now your students will know that this specific grade was from this specific teacher. Also, it is here we have one more instructor too. I click on it, and again I put my initials, and since it was participation I put a P here. Scroll down, click save changes. Now I have two categories. The next thing, let's assume that I will give one assignment, and that means I will need to add grade items. What I did above was to edit the names of my categories, but this time I want to add a column where I want to enter my grade. To do that, you click on add grade item here. Let's say that this was portfolio, and default values will be okay. Maximum grade is 100. Now the important part here is to choose the correct category to put your grade item under. So this was supposed to be part of my assignments and projects. Since I have changed my label to SDAP, so I choose this one and click save changes. Now I see my portfolio item under SDAP. So this was not participation, this was an assignment and project grade. When you switch to grade report view, you will see this column under, as you see here, SDAP. Now you can enter your grades by, of course, turning editing on. And after finishing any kind of editing on this grader report, please don't forget to click on update to save your grades.